Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar expanded his cabinet for the first time on August 3rd, with 19 Congress MLAs taking the oath as ministers. However, it has triggered protest within the ruling Congress party as several senior leaders were left out. Governor Thawarchand Gehlot administered the oath at Lok Bhavan. Although the Congress High Command had approved 20 names, MLC Gayatri Shantigowda did not take the oath. No official reason was given, but party sources attributed the last-minute change to differences among state leaders. Her exclusion also means the cabinet currently has no woman minister. With one post still vacant, the 34-member ministry now has 33 ministers. Another last-minute change saw former minister S.S. Mallikarjun replace Bhatkal MLA Mankar Vaidya in the final list, though the party did not explain the decision. The expansion saw the return of several experienced faces, including B. Zameer Ahmed Khan, Lakshman Savedi, and Shivalinge Gowda. Madhu Bangarappa, son of former Chief Minister S. Bangarappa, and Ajay Singh, son of former Chief Minister N. Dharam Singh, were also inducted. B. Nagendra, who had resigned in 2024 after being named in the Karnataka Maharishi Valmiki Scheduled Tribes Development Corporation scam, also returned to the cabinet. At the same time, several senior leaders, including H.C. Mahadevappa, H.K. Patil, Dinesh Gundurao, K. Venkatesh, M.C. Sudhekar, and Lakshmi Hebbalkar, did not find a place in the new ministry. Former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah was also absent from the swearing-in ceremony. The cabinet expansion sparked open resentment within the Congress. Sagara MLA Bellur Balakrishna said he was deeply disappointed and announced his intention to resign as MLA. He alleged that preference had been given to influential leaders and the children of former chief ministers. In Mysuru, supporters of Tanveer Seth blocked the Mysuru-Bengaluru highway after he was denied a ministerial berth. Seth questioned the selection process, claiming there was no value for loyalty and honesty. Supporters of Govindraj Nagar MLA Priya Krishna also staged protest in Bengaluru demanding justice.